In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillights on this Dodge Durango. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove these two push pins. I'm just going to use a trim tool, get underneath. Pop that out. Do the same on this one. Pop the center out and slide the pin out. Just grab the tail light. You want to pull it straight back. If you need to, you can use a trim tool, just a plastic trim tool. There we go. Pull it straight back. You can see where those ball sockets slide into those grommets right there. We'll disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab and slide it off. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place, and line those ball sockets up with the grommets. And just push it in. Take the push pins, line those up, push those in, and then lock them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.